Hello and very warm welcome to Mind and Body. This is Pooja Sharma and this video sheds light on the important characteristic of Earth's atmosphere and its layer. So let's begin it. Atmosphere. An atmosphere is a layer of gas or layers of gases that envelop our planet, and it's held in place by the gravity of the planetary body. Our planet retains an atmosphere when the gravity is great and the temperature of the atmosphere is low. Weather. Weather is a state of the atmosphere at any given time and place. It includes temperature, precipitation, clouds, wind, etc. Severe weather conditions includes hurricane, tornado, blizzard, and drought. Climate is the long-term average of the weather in a given place. While the weather can change in minutes or hours, a change in climate is something that develops over a long period of decades to centuries. Climate is defined not only by the average temperature and precipitation, but also by the type, frequency, duration, and intensity of weather events such as heat waves, cold spells, storm, floods, and droughts. Weather influences what clothes you wear on a given day, while the climate you live influences the entire wardrobe you buy. Climatology or climate science is a scientific study of Earth's climate, typically defined as weather condition average over a period of at least 30. The difference between weather and climate is a measure of time. Weather is what condition of atmosphere are over a short period of time, and climate is how the atmosphere behaves over relatively long periods of time. Now come to the layer of the atmosphere. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere, and the edge of outer space. The troposphere. Earth's troposphere extends from Earth's surface to, on average, about 12 kilometers, 7.5 miles in height, with its height lower at Earth's pole and higher at the equator. 99% of all water vapor and the aerosol, minute, solid or liquid particles suspended in the atmosphere. Temperatures typically go down the higher you go, since most of the heat found in the troposphere is generated by the transfer of energy from Earth's surface. The troposphere is the densest atmospheric layer, compressed by the weight of the rest of the atmosphere above it. Most of Earth's weather happens here. Almost all clouds that are generated by weather are found here. Most aviation takes place here, including in the transition region between the troposphere and the stratosphere. The second one is stratosphere, located between approximately 12 and 50 kilometers, 7.5 and 31 miles above Earth's surface. No It also known as home to Earth's ozone layer, which protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. Because of the UV radiation, the higher up you go into the stratosphere, the warmer temperatures become. The stratosphere is nearly cloud and weather free, but polar stratospheric clouds are sometimes present in its lowest cloudest altitude, highest part of the atmosphere that jet planes can reach. Now, third one is mesosphere. Located between about 50 to 80 kilometers above Earth's surface, the mesosphere gets progressively colder with altitude. The top of the layer is the coldest place found within the Earth's system, with an average temperature of about minus 85 degrees Celsius. The very scarce water vapor present on the top of the mesosphere from the noctilucent cloud, the highest cloud in the Earth's atmosphere, which can be seen by the naked eye under certain conditions and the certain time of the day. Most meteoroids burn up in this atmospheric layer. Sounding rocket and rocket powered aircraft can reach the mesosphere. Thermosphere, located between 80 and 70 kilometers, 50 and 450 miles, is the thermosphere, whose lowest part contains the ionosphere. In this layer, temperatures increases with altitude due to the very low density of molecules found here. It is both cloud and water vapor free. The aurora borealis and aurora australis are sometimes seen here. The International Space Station's orbit in the thermosphere. Exosphere, located between 700 and 10,000 kilometers, 440 and 600 to 6,200 miles. The exosphere is the highest layer of Earth's atmosphere and at its top merged with the solar wind. Molecules found here are of extremely low density, so this layer doesn't behave like a gas, and particles here escape into space. While there is no weather at all, the aurora borealis and aurora australis are sometimes seen in its lowest part, the edge of outer space. While there is really no clear boundaries between whether Earth's atmosphere ends and outer space begin, also known as the Kármán line, located 100 kilometers above Earth's surface to denote the transition point. Since 99.99997% of Earth's atmosphere lies between these points. A February 2019 study using data from the NASA European Space Agency Solar and Heliospheric Observatory (SOHO) spacecraft suggests, however, that the farthest reaches of Earth's atmosphere, a cloud of hydrogen atoms called the geocorona, may actually extend nearly 391,000 miles into space, far beyond the orbit of the Moon. Thank you.